Greetings to all delegates of RoPat 2020 at IDOS 2020. This is the video presentation for the paper Towards a Soft Hand Tremor Suppression Device for Primary Care. This will be the outline of the presentation. Tremors are a major symptom that can be observed in many neuromuscular diseases. Tremors are involuntary and rhythmic and can occur in any muscle of the body. Patients face huge difficulties in performing daily activities due to tremors, as seen in the videos here. This is the proposed design of the device. The device works by applying a resistant force against the motion using layer jamming elements. The force is applied across the proximal interphalangeal and the metacarpophalangeal joints. A statistical analysis was conducted on the tremor frequencies of Sri Lankan patients, and a mean frequency of 5.05 Hz was obtained. As an initial study, the device was tested on a test rig. A maximum tremor amplitude reduction of 78.32% was observed. This validates the concept, and a higher tremor reduction can be seen on the palm side against the dorsal side. The developed device has the following benefits. The device suppresses hand tremors using a simple mechanism and is also low weight and has a high tremor suppression. The paper proposes a concept and verifies it preliminarily. For further evaluation, clinical trials is required and a dynamic response of the system is also required. This will be considered as future work of the project. For further information regarding the project, soft orthotic device for hand tremor suppression, please contact using the following details. Thank you.